expected to cost more than $400 million, at least twice the previous estimate.
Launching a reading program for primary schools, the Premier became nostalgic for his childhood.
There was always a little ladybird book, JP, there waiting for me on Monday afternoons.
But what's waiting for taxpayers is a huge bill to repair the Queensland Health payroll debacle.
We know that it's going to cost a lot more than what Labor's said it's going to cost, and indeed twice or more.
The Premier says that's an example of why his ministers are on a cost-cutting drive.
Queensland is on a financial power dive into the Grand Canyon of financial disasters.
Mr Newman says the government will identify tens of millions of dollars in savings by the end of next month. He says that includes moving the opposition to an office away from this parliamentary precinct. The Labor leader's staff will be moved twice, temporarily to Mineral House, then permanently across the road from Parliament to the Public Works building.
I do believe it's a blow to democracy.
The Premier says it's to make more room for the parliamentary committees which were set up last year by Labor. He says turning the previous opposition office into committee rooms is $22 million cheaper than building new space.
The bottom line is it's a win-win-win.
And when the committees next meet, the government will dominate with 6 members to 2.
It's fair and reasonable on the recommendation of the independent and highly respected Clerk of the Parliament, Neil Laurie.
Based on the voters' overwhelming verdict in last month's election. Chris O'Brien, ABC News.